Now that the pendant lights are installed, let's see how they change the atmosphere. I've set the color temperature to a warm, cozy glow, perfect for a Thanksgiving dinner. Jolux's adjustable lighting options allow you to customize your space for any gathering, from intimate family dinners to lively holiday parties. Check out this incredible before and after transformation. The Jolux pendant lights make the space feel so much more inviting and festive. And there you have it, a simple, tool-free way to upgrade your home lighting and make this Thanksgiving even more special. Happy Thanksgiving, and enjoy the warmth and joy of the season with your loved ones. Ready to transform your space? Check out the links in the description to get your Jolux pendant lights today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with how you're getting your home ready for the holidays. See you next time.